Hey guys, today I'm talking about lighting. What light do I use? Because I've been getting these questions for a very long time. What lighting do I use? Hey guys, for the last 1 month I've been using two light setup. That means two light setup. I've been using the AD 400 and the AD 200. The reason I prefer using this is the AD 400 is because when you're shooting high speed sync, there's that contrast which appears on your images, which always makes your images look amazing. This light is really perfect with that contrast and the colors of your images. Another thing is you can shoot with this light for a very long time. That is if you are not shooting high speed sync. And guys, a quick tip: when you're shooting high speed sync, you manage or you tend to reduce the amount of power coming from your lighting. That means your images, you need to use as much power as possible, and that means your light won't serve you for as long as possible. So what I normally do if I'm shooting outdoor, I prefer shooting in the evening. That's from 5 p.m. and above, and lowering my camera aperture to f2, f2.5, and then lowering the power of the lighting to 1/64 or 1/28, and that's why I can work with this light for as many hours as possible. I do the same both in the studio, but in the studio sometimes I prefer shooting at f5.1 or 4.5 and 5.6 or 4.5, and of course I mostly use this light at maybe powers of 1/8, 1/16, and with that I can manage to shoot as many clients as possible in the studio. The other light, I use this as my key light or my main light. The other light I use is the AD 200 Pro. This produces 200 watts of light of power, and that means I can shoot with this light as long as possible if I'm not using high speed sync. As I mentioned, high speed sync tends to reduce the amount of lighting, so you need to increase the power or the lighting in your strobe so that you can get as much light as possible if you don't want dark images. And to avoid that, I prefer shooting low speed sync. That means I open my lens as much as possible. That's f2.0, f2.5, and then I reduce the power of my lighting so that I can get enough lighting and clean images, natural looking images, just like these ones. And yeah, so when it comes to studio, I use mostly lighting power of 1/8 or 1/16, and I use this as my backlight, and it always works perfectly. And also guys, in the studio I have the MS300. Most of the time I use this to just feel, because this light is not high speed sync, but it works perfectly, and also is a 300 watt lighting. So this produces also some nice lighting, and I prefer using both of these behind if I'm shooting in the studio as backlights or fill lights, and then I use the AD 400 as the main light. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you all answered what kind of lighting do I use. I try to attach as many behind the scenes as possible on this video so that you can see how I set up my lighting. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and also like it so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, because that's how you guys can help me for my channel to reach as many people as possible who are interested in learning and understanding photography. See you in the next video. Hope you have learned. And also guys, I like giving budgets for my videos, and if you are in Kenya, you can get this light for around 40,000 brand new, this one for 65,000 brand new, and for this one you can either get a pair or the single one for 15,000 brand new. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for 2,500 subscribers. Woo! I'm feeling good, man. Enjoy every I'm happy, I'm doing good. So see you in the next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mutemwa, on TikTok at Mutemwa, and on Facebook at Mutemwa. See you in another video. Peace out. Oh.